Thunderstorm warning for Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, east central Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 9:45 p.m. At 9 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Elmer, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Franklinville, Glassboro, Monroe Township, Sicklerville, Chesilhurst, Reese. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Camden, Gloucester, and Salem.